buntag mga idol, happy Sunday. Nag-ride ship day dito sa San Fernando, chill rides pa, sound trip. So atangi, kaagi din may ugnay na disgrasya dali. So let's go.
Wanna die, but if I die tonight, bury me with bourbon next to a moonshine steel. Cause I heard and I bet that I always will. For the dirt and don't forget a bottle of the bean. Cause everything
Mga mga idol, nagyan rin sa likoon nga dapit sa simento. Sugat yun sila. Kami nagpusil, nagbangga lang duha mga idol. So red shipper me and God first ha, mga idol. Atong agian mga idol para makita nato ang usa ka motor nga nagbit og XRM na sinanay nga nagadugot taon o kayo. Mga usa nabali daw ang kamot, yung istorya pa nila. So niagi mi nahinay. Nantun nga mopadayon mi sa among adtuan sa tapunan nga nindot kay agianan padungad to. Unang malingaw mo sa view o sige, padayon ta mga idol.
right through my fingertips. I've been drinking just so I can get by. Every single night feels like the end of my life. The liquor or the pain, it wasn't hard to decide. And baby, I don't wanna die, but if I die tonight, bury me with bourbon next to a moonshine steel. Cause I heard and I bet that I always will. For the dirt and don't forget a bottle of the bean. Cause everything I did was for her, not me. Me with bourbon next to a moonshine steel. I'm hurting now and I always will. Me with bourbon, don't forget a bottle of the bean. Cause everything I did was for her, not me. Me with bourbon, it might get you out of my head. It might finally help give me some fucking rest. Cause when I lay down, memories play in this bed. Girl, ever since the day that you left, I've been drinking just so I can get by. Every single night feels like the end of my life. The liquor or the pain, it wasn't hard to decide. And baby, I don't.
Salamat sa pagdana mga idol. God first. Salamat sa suporta mga idol.
Please follow Nabsprider Facebook page mga amo and Nabsprider from YouTube channel. Thank you, God first.